You'll see here, Department of Energy talks a lot about this. They say that national surveys have determined that well over half of all HVAC contractors do not properly size the systems. Over half. Now that's 55, 65%. I would call that an epidemic. I mean, 50, 60% of all the companies are not properly sizing and therefore not properly designing and installing the systems. What that means is that if 10 of your neighbors got new air conditioning systems put in last year, 5 or 6 of them are not properly installed. 5 or 6 of them are not properly sized.
That's really interesting.
It's a very serious situation.
I know that makes you kind of uneasy, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. Owners should insist upon a system being correctly sized before it's installed. Here's what I'd like to ask you. Why do you suppose that Consumer Reports and Department of Energy put so much emphasis on this proper sizing thing? Why do you think they have so much? I mean, both of them talk about the same issue.
Well, I can only assume that from what you've said, that if it's not sized properly, it's not going to work properly.
Exactly.
Maybe not heat or cool your home as well as it should.
Exactly.